Hello, I'm Dr. L. Dia de los Muertos is just around the corner. Have you thought about what you're going to be doing with your students and in your classes? Well, I've got some products from Teachers Discovery that I would like to share with you. And this is a promotional video for Teachers Discovery. If you click on the link in the comments section, I will receive a commission on the products that you purchase, but it does not impact the price that you pay. And if you stay tuned until the end of the video, I'll explain how you can earn a $5 gift card towards your next purchase. All right, vamos a empezar. All right, first up, we've got a classroom set of sugar skulls. And so it's everything that you need. It's got the markers and toothpicks and glitter and glue and supplies. And students can create their own sugar skulls. So that's item number one. All right, up next are some downloads. The first one, Ofrenda del Dia de los Muertos, art and writing project. And then the next one is El Dia de los Muertos y Halloween in Mexico. So I got some cultural readings and comprehension questions and prompts. So that's some practice activities to try there. All right, up next is Papel Picado printable download. So got a lot of cool different designs. Can talk about Dia de los Muertos and then have the students create their own hands-on activities. Aquí tenemos stickers or pegatinas. So I got some glittery ones there, some other stickers with calaveras. Excelente, fabuloso, fantástico, bien hecho. All right, and then here we've got some books about Dia de los Muertos, Tumba, and Aventuras en el Dia de los Muertos. All right, and then we've got some posters. Got one from Frida Kahlo, and then also one just explaining what is Dia de los Muertos. So it's great to have some decorations around your classroom and to create a literature-rich environment. All right, then there are some Dia de los Muertos videos and activities. So there's four different themes, and you download the videos, play them, and then there's activity sheets that go along with those explaining different elements of Dia de los Muertos. And here's a PowerPoint that you can download, KS El Dia de los Muertos. So be sure to head on over to Teachers Discovery and check out more information about this one to be able to explain this to your students about what is Dia de los Muertos. Okay, then here's a 7-video download set about different elements for Spanish culture. One of them is Dia de los Muertos, but other ones can be Las Posadas, Cinco de Mayo, Weekend in Mexico City, the culture of Mexican food, and a variety of different other ones. So be sure to check those out. And the last one, posable calacas or skeletons, a printable download. All right, so then students are going to design their own skeleton, and then they cut out the bones, the huesos, and then could either use a metal brad to fasten the different parts, or you can just put a dot of glue at each of the spots, and then the students can form the calacas in fun poses after they've decorated them. So, all right, a variety of different options to have students do hands-on activities, to teach them about Dia de los Muertos, read about Dia de los Muertos, watch videos about it, learn from it if you present them with a downloadable PowerPoint presentation. So a variety of different activities to get your students engaged in learning about Dia de los Muertos. All right, as promised, here is how you can earn a $5 gift certificate, an online code to use at your next purchase at Teachers Discovery. Basically, what you need to do is just put the name or title of the item that you want to share an idea about, and then you can share either after you've gotten the item, how you've used it in the classroom or with your students, or if you have not gotten the product yet, you could explain in the future how do you intend to use this product in your classroom. Provide your name, your email, and which state you're from, and you will receive a $5 gift certificate code. All All right, be sure to check out my other videos promoting other products from Teachers Discovery. They're going to help you be a more effective teacher, get your students engaged, get them learning. They've got more than 5,000 items to choose from. All right, adios.